What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be making some edible marshmallow slime, and I just made this a little bit before. You can check it out on my brother's channel. Yeah. And so what you're gonna need is some marshmallows. You're gonna need cornstarch and powdered sugar. So I already have some of that in the bowl over here. All I need is the cornstarch left. And then I'm pretty sure you just... Oh wait, frick, you have to melt the marshmallows? I guess you just melt it all. Go! I'm gonna try to just microwave it for a little bit and melt it.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, my brother's gonna be here too.
Yeah.
So yeah, wait for a little bit. Alright, after we melted the marshmallows, they kind of overflowed. You good, bro? Oh. Johnny just fell. The chair fell. You guys probably saw that.
Oh. Okay, that was bad, everybody.
Okay, so now we just mix it. Oh, frick, it's hot. Whoa, it makes dust. Dust. Oh, frick, we're making a huge mess. Yeah, just mix it around. Don't make too much of a mess. I'm gonna get this stuff off. Yeah, so just mix it around until it gets a pretty thick consistency. Thick and like slimy.
Let's move these
slime
marshmallows
stuff
for a second.
Oh, frick. Ow, it's hot.
That is so slimy.
Wait. I think it's done. It might be done, but it's really like cornstarchy and like chunky. So you still gotta mix it a bit more. Ow, frick. It's hot. Okay.
Yeah, it is still corny, starchy.
Just mix it up. It's just sticking to the fork.
Yeah.
Ouch. Yeah, it's not really working, so
Wait.
I'm gonna pause it while you guys wait for us to mix it. So let's go. Pause. What the heck happened? What, was it done? No. Okay, so it's not done. We gotta mix it more. So yeah, let's go. Pause. Okay, so
Okay, it's ready.
we mixed a little bit more, and it's kind of ready, so whoa! This is cool.
Not as good as I expected it, but to my calculations, it's pretty cool. No, seriously.
Whoa! Eat it? It's edible. It's some marshmallows and powdered sugar. Oh, it's so sticky and messy. Look at that. Sticky and messy, sticky and messy. Oh, frick. Oh!
Let me see it.
So sticky.
Let's see if this will juice.
Webbed fingers.
Guys, here it comes.
No, don't look.
Let me see if it's
Look at
edible.
this. Webbed fingers. Oh my gosh.
Your fingers aren't webbed.
Yeah, but
They're not webbed.
yeah, but they're sticky.
They're not webbed.
Okay.
They're not webbed.
Are you okay?
This is not very edible.
It's edible, but oh, it's Messy. Woo. I don't think it's supposed to be this messy. It's so sticky. It's like glue.
I'm going back. I'm going back
Back where?
to the slime.
Yeah, you take it. Oh, forks.
Look, it's gonna droop down. It's not gonna fall off this time. Oh, Phil, win.
Oh my gosh! I can't even get it off my hands. Look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna wash it off in this thing.
Yeah, he's gonna wash it off, so I'm gonna go somewhere right now, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, everybody. Whatever you
Okay,
do,
don't wash my hands. See, it's all cleaner now. Whatever you do, don't touch this slime.
no, don't touch it.
Okay, you're gonna have to wash your hands. Yeah, this stuff makes you very thirsty. Here we go. A drink of water.
Ah, turning powder.
What was that sound?
Ah, damn. This is all over me now. It's not even slimy like.
Yeah, it's just like.
Who has done this to me? Whose idea was this to make this?
Mine.
Okay, bye everybody. I'm going home. I'm going back to the place. Bye.
Okay, he's just washing his hands. No, he's washing his hands. My chair just fell. This thing fell down. Frick. Jaws. Eat, eat, eat. Oh, I almost fell again. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment down below, what should I make next? Should I make like a different kind of slime? Should I do daily vlogs? Jeez, that would be hard. School. So, probably for the rest of the time, I'm just going to be eating my thing. Oh, frick, dropped.
Hello guys, I'm back.
He's been eating marshmallows. These things are bad. Marshmallows are good.
For you.
Oh,
I'm going home.
okay, like I said, that's the end of the video.
Ah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.